Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to fix screen size on Facebook. So if you open Facebook application, by default there's no such feature on Facebook that allows you to fix the screen size. So what you would have to do is open settings on your mobile devices. Once you come to settings page on your mobile, simply scroll down below and tap on the option of display. Now scroll down below and you'll see the option of font size and style. Tap on it. Now let's say I want to increase the screen size. So let's swipe this circle towards the right-hand side. You can adjust the size according to your preferences. Now the text size has been changed. So if we go back and open Facebook, you can see that the screen size has increased as well. You can follow the same step if you wish to decrease the size of your screen or texts on Facebook. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.